A new feature has been added to iPhone, allowing you to screen calls from unknown callers, making it easy to weed out any spam calls or telemarketers. Want to learn how to use it? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable call screening on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To get access to the call screening feature, you'll need to update your iPhone to iOS 26. If you haven't updated yet, check out this video to learn how. To enable call screening on your iPhone, first open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Apps. Then select the Phone app. In your phone settings, scroll down to the Screen Unknown Callers section. To use the call screening tool, select Ask Reason for Calling. With this setting enabled, calls from numbers that aren't saved to your contacts list will be asked to provide the reason why they're calling before your iPhone rings. Once they've provided the information, your iPhone will ring and present you with their info before you decide if you want to answer. That's all it takes to enable call screening on your iPhone. Want to learn about more new features for your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.